Hello, welcome back. It's Jessie Home Decor YouTube channel coming up with a new, stunning, vibrant, and updated video on the present demand of our viewers, as a specific video on the decoration related to the Christmas. As we know that the Christmas season is here and it's the month of celebration and love. So get together and make our Christmas more beautiful by making vibrant decorations. Moreover, we are here to help out our viewers to make eye-attracting and stunning decoration for the present era. As we know, we read our viewers with enthusiasm and a tone of joyful holiday season. We express the importance of creating a warm and inviting atmosphere through Christmas decoration. We should begin our decoration with some traditional decor ideas, which begins by selecting a classic color palettes in which we explore traditional color combinations like red and green, gold and silver, and we discuss how to incorporate this color into various elements of our decoration, showcasing antique or vintage inspired ornament and discussing how this sentimental value can add to your Christmas tree. We provide ideas for decorating the mantelpiece such as fireplace mantle with stocking, garlands and candles, creating a focal point. Moreover, we also create ideas on trendy and modern themes such as Scandinavian elegance, explore the simplicity and charm of Scandinavian decor with minimalist ornaments and so many neutral ideas to enhance the decoration of the specific selected area and to create a modern color palette. We feature trendy ornaments, unique tree droppers, and sleek garlands. We also discuss how to balance modern elements with traditional touches for a chic and sophisticated look. DIY Decor project also help to enhance the features. Moreover, there are so many ideas such as personalized ornament that demonstrate creative ways to personal ornament with names, photos, or special messages. Moreover, handmade warmth, wreath. We also share tutorials on crafting wreath using material like burlap or even unconventional items like cookie cutters. We also mention festive messenger, showcasing how messengers can be transformed into charming candle holder or vases for holiday arrangements. We also provide some of the decorated items and ideas for outdoor decoration, such as luminous pathway may highlight the beauty of illuminated pathway using outdoor string lights, lantern, or luminaries. DIY outdoor decor provide ideas for creating your outdoor decor elements, such as custom-made wreaths for the front door or handmade yard signs. Inflatable alternatives discussed to traditional inflatable decorations like lighted sail hoses or DIY cutout figures. It is also a better idea to decoration for the table pieces, such as we explore different themes for table settings such as a winter wonderland, rustic farmhouse, or elegant gold and white that include edible centerpieces that showcase creative centerpieces, including edible elements like candy canes, gingerbread houses, or festive fruit arrangements. DIY napkin rings provide simple tutorial on creating napkin rings using materials like ribbon, twine, or even cinnamon sticks. We also emphasize on kid-friendly decor that provide ideas on crafting with kids and providing ideas for kid-friendly crafts such as making sourdough ornaments, paper snowflakes, or creating a homemade advent calendar. Moreover, cater to families by featuring child-friendly Christmas decor idea. We also provide DIY projects that involve kids. We also discuss the importance of creating magical and memorable experience for children during the holiday season. When we talk and emphasize on the outdoor decoration, we provide ideas for extending the festive ambience to the exterior of the home. That includes lighting techniques, lawn ornaments, and creative ways to adorn the entryway. We discuss safety tips and energy efficient options for outdoor lighting displays. Whimsical tree decor also provides section of the tree dedicated to ornaments crafted by children, celebrating their creativity and adding a touch of nostalgia. Interactive decor is discussed as the fun of creating elements like DIY countdown calendar or a Santa's workshop play area. While performing traditional decor, color palettes really play a significant role. Their combination enhance so many features of the selected and specific decor items. Moreover, as traditional look, red and green have been always selected in a specific color chosen for decor. We offer tips on selective timeless color scheme and coordinating traditional elements. It would be a better efficient way to highlight the significance of iconic symbols such as Santa Claus, snowflakes, and Christmas tree in traditional decoration. Moreover, talking on trendy and modern theme, we explore contemporary Christmas decor items including minimalist design and modern color palettes. We also help to feature trendy ornaments, unique tree, sleigh garlands, or toppers. Moreover, we emphasize on our viewers to stay connected with us to get more and more cool, stunning, and vibrant ideas to make your holiday season more stunning and memorable. Stay connected with us, your family, friends, and all other fellows to share the love of this month. Stay cozy and warm and keep spreading love and stay connected with us. It would be a better deal if our viewers like to share their experiences, their memories, and the way they decorate their house during this special month of love. If you want to have any query, ask us in the comment section. Stay connected with us to share more and more love. Thank you.